boat to Negros. Port. I'm going to eat lechon for breakfast. Right, with the Patrocinio de Maria Parish Church of Liloan, Cebu. So we just check out from our hostel, Happiness Hostel, and now we are going to Dumaguete. We're traveling south by bus, and we're taking a boat to Dumaguete. And in the meantime, we'll be stopping by some of the most beautiful towns in south of Cebu, like Carcar or Oslo, and many other towns. So join me as we continue our exploration of Cebu and then Dumaguete. To the jeepney area, so we were told to hop on a jeep named 01K that will take us to the South Terminal. We find a jeepney here, I hope. Baba na tayo to go to the South Terminal, and it's the opposite side of the road. South Terminal, but very soon there's going to be a BRT. Ito, ginagawa na yung BRT sa Cebu, and the South Terminal is on the opposite side. So, yan yung South Terminal. So, punta na tayo sa kabila. So, meron palang entrance, Cebu South Bus Terminal, CSBT. Siguro ito siguro yung entrance. So this is the Central Bus Terminal, and then even the ticketing station is centralized. So already have our ticket. It's 75 with discount because and then we now come here, scan.
Sige na, sir.
Okay, thank you. Door 7 daw, paano ito makikita?
Straight, sir, then. May Patrocinio de Maria left, padre.
Okay, thank you. This is a very convenient system. I wish they have something like this in Manila. You have a ticket and you can go to your specific buses. Door 7. Oh, it's properly marked. We're already inside the bus. And, this will take us to Carcar. 8:05 and we finally arrived here at Carcar. So first thing to do is go to the market and have lechon for breakfast if that's possible. So where's the market? So we have taken a bicycle to go to the market, and the market is located in the north side near the city road. Just arrived at the new market of Carcar. It's quite huge. So let's look for the place where the welcome to Carcar Public Market. So, this is the lechon section. Titigil talaga.
Maliit.
Pero paano siya kakainin? Meron bang?
Doon kinakain sa taas.
Magkano ang 1/4?
175.
175. Marami na ba yun?
Sa tulong sa sipa.
Ano pa? Eh, makakainin sa taas. Picture ako lang, This is the lechon Carcar. Good, comfort. I'm going to eat lechon for breakfast. Tayo sa karinderya and we ordered rice and we are going to eat our lechon. 1/4 is 175 pesos. So 2 rice and then they gave us sausawan. So let's start. On the second floor of the market, there's carinderias. You can buy lechon from downstairs and eat your carinderia. We just had our breakfast here. So, Carcar lechon. Taste test. So, we're done eating lechon here in Carcar Market, and now we go back to Centro ng Carcar to visit the heritage district of Torta. So we're going to take another tricycle to go to Simbahan. So we take another tricycle to go back to the centro. This time we're going to go to the Simbahan. but the church of Carcar. This is one of the most beautiful churches in Cebu. The church is dedicated to Saint Catherine of Alexandria. Established in 1599 by the Jesuits. So next is the old convento of Saint Catherine del Santo Church. Birhen ng Barangay. This is the declaration that the Church of Alexandria is one of the national important cultural property of the Philippines. This is the Carcar Museum. I'm not sure if it's open. Let's see. Carcar City Hall. The old city. And another 105 Gabaldon School here in Carcar. Rizal Monument erected in 1927. So we now have some of the beautiful houses of Carcar. Pantaleon, Villegas. The chicharon of the famous bandstand of Carcar sa Rotonda, a plaza. We just finished going around here in Carcar, so we're going to take another bus and hopefully we can stop by at Argao. So we are now on the bus going to our next stop, which is Argao. We just arrived here in Argao and hanapin natin ang simbahan ng Argao. So there's already Jollibee here in Argao, but we're not going to eat at Jollibee. Let's look for Torta, the famous bread here in Argao. Hopefully we can find one. Some old houses here in Argao. On the right, it's an old house. Very nice old house. It's Cebu Hotel. Cabecera de Argao. Nice. We are now entering the church premises of Argao. entering the San Miguel Archangel Parish Church of Argao. try the famous Argao Torta, and we were pointed to visit Chitangs dito sa Argao. I think this is Chitang. This is Torta. This is Torta. So this is Chitang's Torta. Time to try. Laki pala.
Salamat, Mama.
Nagkakaibang gatas siya. Parang merong tuba or something. And then maraming gatas. Tapos maraming itlog. Oh. So, finish here at Argao. Now we're waiting for the bus that will take us to Liloan. Hopefully there's a bus very soon. Just got on the bus. Going to lighting our next destination. See their stop. And also by pasalubong from their stop. Patrocinio de Maria Parish Church of Liloan, Cebu. Oh, this is the beautiful church of Liloan. The church and the beautiful convent. Very nice detail. We came on a Monday, so the museum is closed. Convento. now have the El Gran Baluarte. So done with Boljoon. So unfortunately we can't go inside the church because it's Monday and most of the museum and churches are closed. Just fortunate that we were able to go inside Carcar and Argao. So my back is the baluarte here in Boljoon, and we're now waiting for a bus that will take us to Liloan. We decided to forgo Oposlov because of the weather condition, and we're hoping that we'll be able to get to Liloan in about an hour and a half, and then boat to Dumaguete. We're still waiting for the bus, but as I told you, we were not able to go inside the church of Boljoon. So finally on the bus, going to Liloan. Our final bus trip here. And then we're next to Dumaguete. Arrived at the Liloan port. Unfortunately, there is no fast craft play because of the weather, but there are barges, and it's also very convenient that the bus actually goes inside the port area, so no need to take a tricycle or a motorcycle. So we're now going to the Barge terminal. This is Liloan. This is the port area. I think we're taking that Maayos shipping barge to get to Dumaguete. Dumaguete is actually right across. That's already Dumaguete on the far right. That's Dumaguete, and this is the Barge terminal. To buy tickets. That's where we buy tickets. Let's go in line. Regular is 130, senior with guide is 90 pesos. We already got our ticket. It's 90 pesos for senior, 130 for regular, and this will take us to Dumaguete City. Bumili pa tayo ng chicharon, 35 pesos. So ito, papasok na tayo sa ating barge that will take us to Dumaguete. On the right is already Negros Island. Yan, you can see already. And that's Dos Cuernos, tupik of Negros. boat to Negros. Welcome aboard. So it's a barge actually. It's a vehicle that a vessel that carry vehicles from Cebu Island to Negros Island. Okay. This is the port of Liloan of Santander, and we're going to Negros, Dumaguete. Some chicharon from Carcar. Finally arrived here at Sibulan Port. It took roughly less than 30 minutes because we left 5:45 and now it's 5:30. 28 minutes. It's quite a short distance sea crossing from Cebu, Liloan to Sibulan Port here in Negros. So now we are going to Dumaguete. Probably take a jeepney. It's the Sibulan Port. On the left side, nandito yung mga jeep going to Dumaguete. You can also rent a tricycle, but so Dumaguete. Dumaguete, kuya. Dumaguete?
Dumaguete.
Yes.
Dumaguete.
We'll take a jeepney to Dumaguete. Dumaguete, and now we're walking toward our hostel. Papasok pala tayo dito sa campus ng Sibulan University to go to Mad Monkey. Already near our hostel, Mad Monkey. Oof, it's a long walk. So this is it, Mad Monkey. Finally, here we are. Hello mga ka-senior, we are now here at the Mad Monkey Hostel in Dumaguete, and we started our journey in another hostel in Cebu City. It's been a long day of traveling, but we practically covered south of Cebu. So we started very early. We left Cebu City. We went to the South Bus Terminal and took a bus going to Carcar. So after about an hour and 30 minutes, we arrived in Carcar. And the first thing that we did, of course, is, since this is Carcar, have breakfast of lechon. So we went to the Mercado Market. We paid 20 pesos to the tricycle driver. And upon arrival at the Mercado Market, we saw so many stalls selling lechon. They gave us a taste test, and I bought my lechon 1/4 kilo for 175 pesos at the first stall that gave me a very crackling and delicious skin of lechon. So if you're in Carcar, just buy a lechon on the first floor and go to the second floor where you can find the carinderia where you can buy the rice. So you can eat your lechon there. So after eating lechon, we went to Carcar Poblacion. We started with the church, St. Catherine de Alexandra Church, which is one of the heritage churches in Carcar, and then we visited the old dispensary, which is now a museum. We also went around. We saw also schools and many old houses, as well as bandstand in Carcar. So after Carcar, we traveled next by bus again to Argao, which is another heritage town in southern Cebu. In Argao, we saw the St. Michael Church, which is also another beautiful church. And it has one of the most beautiful ceiling paintings that I saw, and one with the most magnificent altar. So we were able to go inside the church, and then after that, we walked around the plaza. We saw the old municipio as well as the old Hall of Justice. And then, of course, since if you are in Argao, you have to try the Argao's Torta, which we did. So from there, after finishing the Torta, we had a quick lunch at Jollibee and then took another bus to Liloan. Liloan is one of the most beautiful places that you can visit in southern Cebu. It has one of the most beautiful church. Unfortunately, since it's Monday, the church and the museums are closed, but we were able to see the old cemetery at the back. We also saw the old Escuela Catolica and baluarte. So from Boljoon, we took another bus that took us to Liloan. In Liloan, we took a barge, a big ferry that takes vehicles from Liloan, Santander in Cebu to Sibulan in Negros. So the travel time is about only 30 minutes, and we paid 90 pesos. And then upon arrival in Dumaguete, we took a jeep. Sibulan, we took a jeep to Dumaguete, went around and bought some groceries, and then ate early dinner in McDonald's before coming here at Mad Monkey Hostel, which is quite nice. It has a swimming pool, it has free drinks and free breakfast, and the rooms are very, very clean. So with that, I hope you enjoy watching our adventure for today. It's been a long and tiring adventure, but it was it was fun. So with that, I'd like to thank you very much for watching Travel While You Can. Until our next vlog, see you soon.